Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to DNA Drives. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this beautiful 2015 Cadillac ATS. It's got the 2-liter turbo and it is my friend's car, so shout out to Reed. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe down below today, please. Thank you so much for watching the video, and here it is. So we're gonna start things off with looking underneath the hood of this beautiful machine.
Started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.